Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Ngayon sa video na ito ay may share ako na application pwede nyo pagkakitaan. So before we start, subscribe na kayo at i-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para malaman nyo kung kailan ako nag-upload ng bagong videos. So guys, ang share ko na application ngayon is ang COVID Cash Hero. So sa makikita nyo nga, meron na ako ngayon 140,000 coins and 9,019 na diamonds. So na-unlock ko na rin lahat ng maps dito sa Cash Hero. So ayan, so punta tayo sa paycheck. So sa paycheck makikita natin yung free time natin at yung na-earn natin dollars, which is ngayon ay 245 US dollars. So yun nga, sabi dito, Cash Hero is designed to help those who have lost their job employment due to the current COVID-19 situation. As with a general job, the salary is paid after working or playing 30 days. 6 hours multiplied by 30 days makes a full of 180 hours. Payouts are therefore only payable after a month of playing. The average salary for 1 month of playing is $360 and the minimum payout. Withdrawals are automatically verified and paid out within 1 to a maximum of 3 business days. So pag in-open naman natin ang Hall of Proof, so hindi niya papakita yung mga proof of payments. So naka-block lang siya kahit i-screen record niya. So dito naman tayo sa fact ng app. So do we pay? So yes, we payouts are covered by advertising revenue and are paid out via PayPal. So nagbabayad lang sila through PayPal. So how do I earn in this game? We can earn money by collecting diamonds while playing. In order to actually get them, it is necessary to watch a promotional video ads. So kailangan natin manood ng ads. So may I use a VPN? In any case, VPN does not violate our terms and conditions. So ngayon, pupunta tayo sa settings. So pupunta tayo na settings, ito ang makikita natin. So dito natin lalagay yung username natin and yung PayPal email natin. So ayan, pwede tayo mag-refer ng mga friends natin. Tapos meron din silang support. Tapos pwede natin ilagay earn mode or hindi ka mag-earn na mode. So pwede din tayo maglagay ng picture dito. So ayun guys. So ngayon naman guys ay maglalaro tayo. So ito. So ayan. I-hold nyo lang siya. Para siyang jetpack joyride. So kailangan natin iwasan yung mga obstacles na yan. Yung mask, yung virus, yan. Dapat hindi tayo tatama dyan. So yan din yung mga injection. So dapat hindi tayo tumama dyan. So ayun, tumama ko. So yun guys. So yun lang guys. Update ko na lang kayo sa next video kung nakuha ko na or nakapag-withdraw ako dito sa COVID Cash Hero. So see you next time. Peace out.